Jai Srimannarayana. 31st sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma sesvachantim nigacchati kaunteya प्रतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति। ओम। Do you want to quickly become righteous? Do you want to attain everlasting peace? Do you want to never get perished? Yes, everything is possible only if you declare yourself as a devotee of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me. Surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I am declaring myself as your devotee. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, please make sure all my contamination is washed off. Please make sure I attain everlasting peace. Please make sure I never get perished. Please make sure I quickly become righteous. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 107th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying like this: O Parikshit Narendra, Balarama and Krishna are growing in Nandavrajam. All the activities what they do, all these gopikas in Nandavrajam, while looking at Krishnasya gopyo ruchiram vikshya kaumara chapalam, they used to enjoy Balarama and Krishna's divine forms, beautiful forms, and their activities while enjoying Gopala Sutulu Makkuvane Panulunu Marachi Undiri Ikshana Paralai. They used to even forget all of their household activities. Balakrishna, along with Balarama, while making small steps and walking and playing, then all the other Gopalas, boys, used to come and stand around Krishna, thinking as if Krishna is their master. Like that, all the Gopalas being around while Krishna being in the center, his beautiful color of body will be glowing, and then his beautiful eyes will be spreading everywhere, and from that eyes such a beautiful innocence will be spreading everywhere. While looking at all that, తను మధ్యలు మెచ్చ నీల తను రుచిన్మెరసన్, all the gopikas used to enjoy such a beautiful scene. And the Krishna and Balarama, they learned how to walk now. They are doing so many activities. They are playing. They are messing up everything. While looking at all this, Gopikas are enjoying, but they were unable to stop any of Krishna's activities. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam he Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 31st sloka. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma shasvachantim nigacchati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhaktah pranasyati. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma shasvachantim nigacchati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhaktah pranasyati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.